Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to mark all emails as read in Gmail. Friends, due to some reason, if you want to mark all emails as read it in Gmail, then you simply need to search is colon unread and press enter. Now here it will show all the unreaded emails. So now you need to select all these emails by clicking on this box. Now all the emails on the page are selected and you simply need to click on mark as read icon. Now all the selected emails are marked as read and new unreaded emails will automatically appears on the page, and you need to select all these emails and click on mark as read. So now all these emails are also marked as read and new emails has arrived in the list. So repeatedly it will go on and you can very easily mark all the emails as read in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.